everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with another braided wig review. Now, I did receive this wig off of Amazon from a store by the name of KALYSS or KALYSS. I did work with them in the past, so I'm not too sure how to pronounce their name, but they reached out to me and asked me to review one of their braided wigs. So this is the wig that I picked out. She is really cute. So I'm definitely gonna give you guys the details all about this wig. Now, if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap, then I'll give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So if you are interested in hearing all about this triangle parted, knotless, boho braided wig, then keep watching. Saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, kind of, sort of, and it has an elastic band. Now, this is a full double lace wig. I definitely will give you guys some more details shortly, but I did want to let you guys know that it is a full double lace wig. There's also some lace in the back, so if you decide to glue that down, you can. And of course, in the front, it was a lace front. I did cut it off, you know, for the sake of this video. Now, it did come with baby hairs, as y'all can see. I kind of just left them alone, but I did kind of swoop this one, you know, kind of, sort of. I'm probably gonna go back when it's time for me to take pictures and kind of, you know, swoop it a little bit more. But this is just how she's looking. All I did was use the 3 combs, the 2 on the side, the 1 in the back, and the elastic band, and she's sitting on my head, okay? So let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. So again, this is from the KALYSS or KALYSS store on Amazon. Make sure you guys check the description box below. I will leave the link for you guys in case you are interested in getting this wig, because she is super cute. But this is their 36-inch boho triangle knotless box braided wig. Now, it retails for $109.99. Now, of course, right now Amazon does have a $10 coupon, so you can apply that coupon to knock off $10 off the total. So once again, she is 36 inches. She is synthetic. These are triangle box braids with boho curls. Now, what I mean by triangle, if you guys did not notice, the parting is parted in triangles, which I absolutely love. So when I finally decide to get some actual knotless box braids, I definitely want them like this, like exactly like this. The color is black, natural black, hair material, synthetic fiber, and the cap size is an average size. So of course, it's baby hair all around. I did show you guys the baby hair before I cut the lace, so that is really nice. Premium quality braids with boho curls, and trendy of triangle knotless braids. Once again, the parting is in triangle. Now, this is a full double lace wig. The circumference is about 21.5 to 22 inches. Of course, you can wear this wig any type of way, so you can wear it all the way down like this. You can put it half up, half down. You can put it in the two pigtails like this, any type of way that you want, because this is a full lace wig. You can style it however you please. Now, I want to make sure I don't leave anything out, but it's not much information. Aside from all of that, ear to ear is 13.5 to 13.75 inches, and front to back is 14 inches to 14.5 inches, which fits most head size. So that's also good to know. All right, so again, I'm really loving this wig. You know, I always say I'm not a huge fan of braided wigs, but I have definitely received some really cute braided wigs, okay? This one is super cute. I definitely want my hair like this, so I'm definitely gonna keep this in mind of the style when I eventually get my real hair braided. But she is super cute. Now, this wig is actually pretty light. She does not feel heavy at all. I guess that may be the combination of the box braids and then it being, you know, boho. But it's very lightweight. It is super, super lightweight. Of course, maybe when you put her up, she might put a little weight to it. But as far as just like this, super, super lightweight. The hair is also super soft and it's just really pretty. I'm just really loving this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around one more time. So this is how she is looking in the front. Now, once again, she is 36 inches. Now, I forgot to adjust my ring light with my phone and stuff, so I have to stand back a little bit. But yeah, she is 36 inches, so she is long. Here's how the ends look. So this is the front. Then of course, this is the side. The back. And then the other side. The hair keeps getting caught on my bracelets and stuff, but that's okay. So yeah, she is really cute. I am loving her. Hair is soft. She is just, yes. This has to be one of my favorite braided wigs that I have received, okay? This really has to be the one. She is super, super duper cute, okay? Super cute. And like I said, I just kind of like tuck the rest of the baby hairs in a little bit, but she's cute. She is cute. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig. As far as the length, the texture, of course, it's a braided wig. But let me know how y'all feel about the knotless braids with the boho curls, you know, throughout the wig. Let me know how you're feeling the triangle parting, because that is my absolute favorite. So you guys know the deal. Let me know down below in the comments how you are feeling about this wig. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.